This is today's problem. You are a junior scientist. You have been in an expedition in the Amazon rainforest for over a month. Your senior scientist has asked you to publish your findings, new discoveries, as a HTML table on your website on a page. So how do you do that? We will try to solve it. Here is a HTML basic template. We have a heading, My Discoveries in the Amazon. Let us change the title. Let it be Discoveries in the Amazon. And for adding the table, first of all, we will need the table tag. So for that, less than tab table, and you have the ending tag. Now, first of all, we will try to create a basic table. Then we will go over and publish these new findings, new plants. For the basic table, let us have a row. For that, we need tr tag. Tr means table row. So tr starting tag, this one, and this is the ending tag, this one. And let us add a td. Td means table cell. So td. So this is the ending tag. Let us put the value cell 1. So this is the first cell. Now let's try to visualize this table. Let us check the output. Here is the page name is table.html. Here is the page, and let us try to reveal in Explorer. This one, double click. This is the heading 1, and this is the table, but you cannot see the table because we have not mentioned the dimensions of border, so the border is invisible here. For that, here let's add border equals 1. Save, reload. So you see we have a border. This is just one cell, 1 td. You can have extra td here. So in the same row, I can add another, copy and paste, and rename it as cell 2. Save, reload. You see. Now let us create the main table, plants table. So you have discovered all these plants. Let us. So before that, I mentioned in this format because so that you can easily understand. But the convention is to use this in this way. You move the td to the next line. So for every td, there is new line within the tr tag. So this is the rule. Now we will delete all the tds. Now again, let us take new td. The first heading, we have to have the heading first. So this one is name. I'll add name. And then again, let us take another td. Here we have scientific name. And then on the third td, we have special feature. Save. Let us try to reload the page. So these are the headings. Now let us add the first row. For that, so this one is the heading. So let us add a comment. HTML comment is like this. If you want to know more about comments, I have a video. I'll add the link. So here is the heading comment. Save. Now let us try to add the second row, or the first row actually. So tr first it would be rainbow vine. Name of the plant is rainbow vine. Next td on the same row is scientific name. Next td would be special feature for the plant is these are colored like rainbow. Save. Let us try to reload. So you see this is the second row, but the heading looks the same, but here the heading looks different. For that, there is a special technique or special tag to add the heading in HTML table. For that, you need to convert this td. It is actually th, so I'm selecting all the td on the first row and change it as th. th means table header. Save, reload. You see now in the result, all the values on the first row are now bold and also centered. So this is the second row. Similarly, you create all the other rows. I'll create another one for practice, and it is up to you if you want to practice to the other rows. So for second row again, I'll add tr. Here I'll add 3 TDs. So TD, save, and on the first TD we have luminescent fern. So this is a fern and difficult scientific name. And then we have it glows in low light, maybe in the evening it glows. Imagine how would it feel to be there. So copy and paste, save. Let us check the output, reload. So this is the table. Now I will add the remaining rows and I will make the video faster. But before that, if you want, you can pause the video and practice. The last one is very interesting plant. It creates a mirage, like illusions. Okay, now we are done. Save and reload. So here is your discoveries. Before leaving, let us add your, maybe during your expedition, you were highly inspired to keep your expedition in your memory and you had drawn a picture. So this is the picture. Let us add the picture on the web page. So here is the picture on the file explorer. At the top, amazon.png, we will add picture. For that, I already have a video how to add image on the web page. I'll add a link. Now here is the image tag. On the source, let us add the file. So dot means current folder and we need amazon.png and we can add alt Amazon rainforest. Save. Now let us try to reload the page. The image is actually quite big. We have to reduce the size. For that, we need to add another attribute here. So width equals, let us take 300 pixel. Save, reload. You see it fits very well on the screen. And now your page looks lively with your discoveries. If you have any question or comment, please add below in the comment section. I'll try to answer. Thanks everyone.